This 2019 Forest River Salem Hemisphere GLX 273RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 34 feet 4 inches in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, DVD player, LP detector, slide-out, spare tire kit, TV, oven, external shower, water heater, leveling jacks, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Forest River Salem Hemisphere GLX 273RL is 7,294 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.